Hi, so today's topic is ChatGPT. And don't misunderstand me. I am not going to discuss whether students should be using ChatGPT for studies or not. No, this is not the topic. What I am going to discuss is how using ChatGPT in your studies affects campus placements or your performance in campus placements. So basically, I think one thing all of us admit is that students are increasingly using ChatGPT for their assignments, case submissions, market analysis, financial modeling, and even writing emails. So basically, I would talk of three advantages of using ChatGPT in studies and three drawbacks. So first we'll talk of how using ChatGPT in your studies helps you in your campus placements. The first thing is that when you use ChatGPT for your studies, you actually realize that there are many more options or many more suggestions to solve a problem, not just one approach or not just one thing that will help you solve a problem. So when you are sitting in the placement interview or when you are appearing for campus placements, again, this actually kind of uh, embeds in your mind that there are multiple solutions or multiple ways to approach a problem, and that reflects in your interview. That starts reflecting in your talks and your thought process. The second advantage is that if you use ChatGPT very frequently, what happens is you also come to know how to use ChatGPT for your advantage. So basically, what happens is even for your placement preparation, like interview tips or like resume building and so on, you know how to you best use the ChatGPT for your advantage. And third thing, of course, is ChatGPT can give you a very well researched summary of the job profile and the company and all, which will come in very, very handy at the time of the interview. Now we talk of three disadvantages or drawbacks of using ChatGPT frequently in your studies. The first thing is when you use ChatGPT, your thinking on the feet ability reduces because you are no longer thinking. I mean, you're just typing on ChatGPT and you're getting a solution. So basically, to reach a solution and to have a structured approach to a problem, that tendency or that capability is what you kind of not very effectively brew in yourself. The second drawback is the data provided by ChatGPT uh, may not be always factually correct. No, it's AI generated data, so you cannot blindly trust it. And the third important thing is that your time management skills, they go awry if you use ChatGPT too frequently. Because see, when you're using ChatGPT, then you're getting an instant solution to a problem. So actually, when it comes to again having a time bound approach, then you realize that you have missed inculcating that habit. So what is the bottom line? The bottom line is that while you should use AI and ChatGPT for your advantage, and the way I would like to put it is that it can be used as a supplementary tool and not as a replacement to the traditional or the orthodox methods. You can use AI for practicing, but for feedback, always depend on human intelligence. Of course, validate all the data that you get through AI, and also AI or ChatGPT can be a good tool for theoretical information, but for things like communication skills and behavioral skills, you should not rely or you should not solely depend on ChatGPT. Hope this brief talk would have helped you and get you some fresh perspective. Wish you all the best.